your title, and what do you guys sell?
Well, I work for Curtis Products. I'm the president, and we fabricate tubing for many different industries: construction, agricultural, automotive, you name it. Wherever you're connecting a few points, we're connecting for you.
Okay, cool. And how did you hear about Tower?
We've used Tower for a long time, different products. It's a very good lubricant, and we've used it for probably 30 years.
Okay, cool. So what would you say, like if you had to say what your company's superpower is, what would you say?
Superpower?
Yeah, like what would you say you guys are really good at? Or
Well, we're very flexible. So when our customers have a need, we find a way to fill it. Sometimes it's an engineering need, sometimes it's just getting parts that they didn't order or need that they didn't know they needed. So we're very flexible, and we're very good working with the customer to take care of their needs.
Okay, cool. And what's your favorite product that we sell?
Well, we were just looking at the TC89 that we saw on another machine over here. I'm not as familiar with the products as some of the others, but we've used several different over time, and they've all been very good. So easy to remove, good for our equipment and our products. So it's been a very good relationship.
Okay, cool. And one final question is, what do you think Tower's superpower is? Like, what do you think we're good at?
Tower's superpower.
From your perspective, yeah.
Well, I would say Tower's superpower is very good consistency. They've been able to give us the products we need in a timely manner, and they work great for us, so we're very happy.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much for doing this today.
No problem. Thank you.